Today I'm going to show you how to access the battery on your Ram ProMaster. If you are new here, I'm an actual working tech that makes how-to videos that are straight to the point. Now let's get into it. The battery on these is not located where you would expect under the hood. It's actually located in the cab. And it's actually located right below your feet as the driver. The only tool you're going to need for this job is a flathead screwdriver. You're going to locate 5 of these pins. This one's broken, but there's 5 spread out along this panel. And you're going to loosen them counterclockwise. Now you have complete access to your battery. When reinstalling, you want to make sure you get these tabs into these holes. And once the panel is back in place, you can go ahead and tighten all these back down and lock the panel in place. And that's how you access the battery in your Ram ProMaster. If this video helped you at all, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Let me know down below what else you'd like to see done on a Ram ProMaster.